Hello and how are you? Let's see how to make a simple two-digit calculator. So the digits we are going to have are digits and you can multiply them and you can make addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's see how to do. So first of all, you will need to create a new project and open it in a text editor. You can use any text editor you prefer. For this, I'm going to be using, sorry. So we will add it to here, which is Atom. I have other text editors, but the others have other things open, so I have to use this for now. So main.py. Then we won't use any big code. All we will need is a function that does everything for us. So a function called multiplication, and this we will pass in digit 1 and digit 2. And what this will do, we will pass it now, then make the let's just call it times. And what this does is makes the time. Then we want the same one as divide. Then add. Then subtract. Little. And what I want to do here, make a return, which is something cool in Python. And what I want to return is just digit 1, then plus plus digit 2. So digit is called 2. So let's just this should be times and till. Then let's just make a try. So I will just make a print since this will be all in the terminal, and I will just print times and I will pass in like 10 and 2, which should give us 20. So let's just return over here a little. So there's something wrong with it. So I think this is how we do it that we want to learn it. So let's just this still doesn't run. So let's just open it. So little my Sandy, go to my desktop, and this is in a folder called new folder 2. CD to this new folder. So then this one. So let's just copy its name and cd this. Let's then main.py since we want to learn main.py. So it give us return plus 100, which is not correct. So if we open our calculator, that's open here, and we load 10 times 2, sorry, 10 times 2 equal to 12. And now what's 10 times 2? This will give us 20. So what we want is just to make it 1. Then when we return to the CMD and learn it again in the pi, it was 20. So now this one is working. And what return does is just return the same, which is a cool thing that programming language has. The now is the divide. So to divide, we want digit 1. I think we do it digit 2. Then I will just here print this. So we'll just make it like this. Time time. This is times, then the tail. This will be the divide, and this will be divide. Okay. Now when I go and run it, so over here, just that in the pi, sorry, wanted to make it a star. Star. This is how you make something stir by the way. So I want it to be not an integral, but more as a star. And star means string, and int EINT is short for integer. So this is it. When you go now here, make main.var, run it. We say the divide is 20, and I mean the times is 20, and the divide is 5.0. The reason it has 5.0 is I am not well at it, but my guess is that because Python is very intelligent with numbers and many people want specific. So it would be good if you may give it an odd number, I think. So let's just try to give it something like 9, which is an odd number. It can be divided by 2. It will be 4.5. So now when I learn main.py, it says 4.5 means half. This is why there's this point, and I think you can delete it with the split thing, I think. Okay, so now it's time for the add. So the add is very easy. We will do the same as the return. Then I will return the first digit or digit 1 plus digit 2. Let's just see how this will work out. Then I will get this and add. And this I will just set it to be add. And there's many libraries you can use for this, but I like to do it on myself. So here, it will add them to be 2. Okay. There's something tricky in this, which is the class. Since Python understand it like add like the stuff, so you will make sure it's identical. For example, if we got this and make this man a stir, which would be looking weird, what it will print out is this in the type. We say not an int stir. So that's something long since we made it a star. So you will need to make it an int for it to work. If you are depending on client thing or from a function that returns the star, just type int, and this should work. So now when I go here, main the file, this is how you can start, multiply, divide, and add here. Now it's the subtraction. So it's just simply the same thing. You will return digit 1. So digit 1 plus digit 2. Then you will just print it. So the first one is subtract plus, and we want to be a term. Then we will set it to be call it subtract, and give it 2 digits. For example, 10 minus 10, 2. Sorry, there's some noise on me now. And now when I go on ladder, tell it make the pie, it will say that. And you can just fix this LL file, just adding this. So now when I learn main.py until it ends. So this is how you can multiply, divide, add, and subtract. In the rest of this video, what we want to do is ask it to enter the things and say if you want to multiply things like that. So this is another project. So let's see how to do it. This is all the things you want. You can just leave the video. So let's see now how to ask the user using the integral and things like that. So, like always do in this video, we want to use a library. Even though you can use something like tkinter like this, but I want it to be just a simple terminal. So, I will make just a file equal to b digit 1. Sorry, digit 1. This will be equal to b and int. Then, sorry, in book, I think this is how palette here and pattern, and let's add delete 1. Okay, then let's go here, main.py, delete 1, and you can type things and then delete one. I will just fix it. Then we want delete. So the thing. Then we change each of it to be 2. But in here, what we want to add is sign. Sign. In this sign, we want the user to enter plus or minus or times or divide. So we will want a checker. So this part will be a checker, which will check if the sign this or this or this, then it will not. So I will just say if sign equal to b, then it will be 1 times what we want to learn plus this. I will just print digit 1 plus times digit 2. Or if you like, you can just add the function on separate line, but I want to do it like this. Then L L is sign equal to B, then it will be plus, and this code will run, which is just the same line as this one, but this one will be a plus. So let's just see understand then plus and see if it works. So in the pi, the first one will be like 2, then the sign is this one, and the digit 2 is 3, which should give us 5, but because they are less sure, to give us 23. So to fix this, all you will need to do is just set this other integer. We'll link this in. And this is very important since Python received it as it is and a store. So we have to convert it to an integer to learn it. Sometimes this integer and star is quite difficult to understand or confusing, but simply the star is the string which have these two things or parentheses, I think. Then an integer number which doesn't have anything. Now, when I learn it, okay, sorry. So I have a mistake right over here. Check the mistake for me before learning it, which is a good thing. So now this will be 5 and this will be the it will be plus, and the second digit is 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So it is learning quite well. Now what we have now is we made the time. So I will just add here times, and now it's time for the subtract. So another elif, and what does elif mean is else inside of it is an which is a cool thing I learned. Tan, and this tan will be equal to b minus. So this is at subtract. Then I want to return out print out the in of digit 1 plus sorry minus of in digit 2. Okay, which should work. Now it's time for the what is called the times. So L sin equal to the this last, which is a dividend class divide. Then we will just print out in digit 1 plus int of digit 2 int digit 2. But now I have to add now let's gonna learn made.py. Yeah, sorry. L if not L. Sometimes I get confused here, so this one is main.py. So the digit one is 2, then the sign like this sign by 2, which should give us 1, which is so now we want to check something. So sometimes they use the length and bad things. For example, sorry, main part. So for example, I didn't enter the integer. Just load 1 and the sign is times and the digit is x. It doesn't print anything or which I think is bad. So what I can do is just add here another else. Then else an else now. And inside this else, what I will make is the error, which is a function we will call into def error. It will just print out error. There was an error in the in the process or any error we want. So now when I just go here, don't know why close it again. So let's just open it with my terminal once again, and then in the type. Sorry, not with this. Sorry, I have many things. No. So desktop, cd, new folder. Sorry, main.py. which is digit 1 in S, then channel stand, channel storage. And because the sun is incorrect, or there's no animation with it, it gives us the but if we learn it again, like say this would be an H, and this will be an plus, then this will be a D, it will make a later. So I don't want this glitch to appeal on the user interface. It will be enough in a top and you won't understand. So what we want to do is pull syntax, which is called try and alert. So this is the syntax, which is simply the try block and the code it should learn. And if there's any bug in it, it will go and learn this code. And there's a finally block, but we won't be using in this project, but it is good to know that there is a finally block. And simply this block will learn below the subject and the code. So which part we will add to it is this. So now we will open here a class. Little. Then the reason why there's no alert because this is in the docs. In this it is called another thing which is except. And if you are interested in it, I am planning on making another video about it in the future. Except so try and accept. Don't know why it's not recognized. So I will just call it alert, which is the thing we have. And now main.py now f file actually dash then it will just say this since x is not that. This is cool, and this is how you can make a simple H path calculator. The link to the code here and the code that we built in the first part will be down in the description on the GitHub repository. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.